All right, so today I'm going to go ahead and talk to you about how to add a task to your Google Calendar. This would be beneficial to individuals that need to help stay organized, and they would have access to it at all times on their digital device like a cell phone. I have gone ahead and added math lesson 2, the homework assignment, on the 6th, and this is supposed to be lesson 3 on the 7th. And if I wanted to then add maybe another assignment to May 8th, I would go ahead and click on that date, and I would then get this pop-up screen, and I would go ahead and click task, and then I would name my task. So this might be lesson 3 for that homework assignment. You can add a description, maybe it's numbers 2 through 12 evens, whatever it might be. You can add anything there, and then you can go ahead and click save, and then it will show up on your calendar. Now, if a teacher or whomever decided to reschedule the due date, you can go ahead and actually click on that assignment, and I could then edit it, and maybe they want to change it to Thursday the 9th. Then I can go ahead and do that as well and click save. A fun way to add and remove or move around assignments so we have it at all times.